Yeah, this is my hot take. People have been saying for months, maybe even years, that AI is going to automate out the copywriter, the human copywriter. I think that is so far off base, and it's a fundamental misunderstanding about what AI can and can't do. AI can do anything that doesn't require talent. Anything that is simply a box-ticking exercise or a set of criteria to check, or looking for absolute rules in content or any other task, you can get AI to do that to a good standard at the very least. Anything that requires a human being to create something unique, to give a different point of view, or to craft something that's for another human being, it's really bad. It's because fundamentally, all AI content is all of the relevant content in the world aggregated into something that is, by its very definition, bang average. So if your human writers aren't able to produce something that's no better than bang average, well then that's a bigger problem that you've got. But it also means that the baseline of content across the internet is now at a certain level. Anybody can produce anything that's bang average. It's not about capacity anymore, because a machine can do it in 5 seconds. The way that you win is that you do all of the fundamental things well. You automate all of the processes that can be automated, but the things that require human beings, you have really smart, really talented human beings executing those tasks. That's producing great branded content. That's creating impactful video scripts. Whatever that may be, you can't assume that copywriters won't be. That anything will change about the need for talented copywriters going forward, because if anything, it's going to become more important as the years go on.